Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming the headset model and whether it's under warranty, because that affects how far you go. Next, visually inspect cables, connectors, and ear cushions for frays or loose pins. A broken jack often mimics software faults. Once done, power cycle both the headset and the host device and plug into a different USB port or audio jack to rule out port failure. Make sure to disable any Bluetooth pairing temporarily, so wired tests are clean and reliable. You'll now handle software. Update the headset firmware and the host's audio drivers because mismatched versions cause dropouts. Then set the headset as the default playback and recording device in your OS so audio routes correctly. Once done, verify sample rate and bit depth match between device and apps, and disable exclusive mode if an app steals audio. Also check individual app audio outputs. Games and conferencing tools often select a different device, so make sure they point to your headset. You finish with targeted hardware fixes. Swap cables or adapters first because they are the most common failure points. If swapping doesn't help, test the headset on a second known good device to isolate the fault. For inline controls or jacks, open the housing carefully and inspect for loose solder or broken traces. Reflow or replace components only if you're comfortable. Finally, run a 10-minute audio loop with voice and music to confirm repairs, if issues persist. Record symptoms for professional repair.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.